No, I just want something so loose that all the air is, ventilating through my body. What's up everyone, it's Vitasta. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really good because I am doing fantastic. Liar. This summer is like really pathetic. I hate summers. It's just so hot. Like, why is it so hot all the time? Like, it's literally 7 a.m. and it's burning my skin. I'm saying this because summer to a lot of people means happiness, vacations, cheerfulness, playfulness. This looks like summer, this is so bright and blah blah. But for me, I absolutely hate this season. I hate it. I despise it with all the cells in my body. Like a lot of y'all, I have spent my summer sitting at home, chilling. Okay, it's not been that great. So I had to wake up at 6 to film this video because my house is under renovation and there is just so much noise throughout the day that I cannot find any peaceful time to film a video other than early morning. Plus all the dust and everything is literally breaking my skin out. Insomnia is back because I have not had a good sleep in months. I don't remember when I slept a full 7 to 8 hours. It's been terrible and I'm actually doing nothing about it right now. Well, I should. Yeah, I know. Okay, this is about summer favorites, not summer hatreds. So let me continue with my video. My skin in summer gets so weird. I don't know if it's just me or a lot of people relate to this, but it just dries up so much and I break out. I have makeup on right now, so I don't think you can see it, but on the top I can show you this big painful zit over here. Then I had quite a few zits every now and then all over my face. I'm not really worried about it because I know it's just summer and it will go away with colder climates. I'm not really worried. Dehydrated and dry skin is such a bummer. The dry skin looks really dull. It just looks like you are so sick. That's why I love something that provides hydration. For me especially, I love sleeping masks. So my summer favorite skincare product has to be Innisfree sleeping mask. This is the Jeju pomegranate version. It says that it is used to revitalize your skin. I think it's doing the job. It just makes my skin so much plumpier and not drying in the morning. It's the perfect thing to sleep in. This is something I swear by. I've already finished it in 3 weeks. Probably half of it is finished. It's a gel and it has like little gel beads in it, and you have to apply like a thick layer after doing all your skincare and just leave it at that. In about 15 minutes it absorbs itself in your skin. In the morning when you wake up and your skin is like not shitty, it's just a wonderful feeling. Another thing that I love so much, it has been my partner since April now and I absolutely love it. This is Clinique Moisture Surge. It also has gel-like consistency. I've already finished one bottle. I'm using it quite stingily because I don't want to finish it because it's kind of higher end. But I assure you, everyone who says nice things about this is right. And I have bought this because so many of your favorite influencers and skincare experts recommend it, and it's absolutely true. It absorbs in your skin like water. You don't realize you have put on any cream. It makes your skin hydrated for a long time. It says 100 hours. It's an auto replenishing hydrator, so it means that it stays in your skin for hours and hours and just kind of keeps on moisturizing it from within. So it's not just something that you apply, it's also working from inside of your skin. It's a cult favorite and it's also becoming my favorite. In summer, I love to put on my makeup like this. That is very simple, subtle and natural looking makeup, and blushes are very important part of makeup for me. A good blush will make you look sun-kissed, literally just makes you look very youthful, and I am a sucker for good blushes. This time my favorite blushes have to be my Rare Beauty blushes. They are in the shade Joy and Happy. You can get Rare Beauty products from international makeup sites. I personally feel that they are a little expensive compared to the original price of these because they have to like import things and custom and send it to you. Like they just add so much. But if you like really really need them, then you can do it. I got it from Paris when I went there in April. I just knew that I had to get them. I went somewhere outside of India and I didn't get this. Shame. I am such a sheep. What everyone says they like it, I have to try that. They are so pigmented and they have so much product in them that you just use like 2 drops. It has this nice applicator and they just melt in your skin. This is in the shade Joy, which is a peachy color. Just melted away in my skin. This one is Happy, which is more of a pink color. Actually, I'm using this one a lot. Just melts away. It's so good. Selena, if you can get your hands on this, I would definitely recommend. They are not very expensive in the market compared to other high-end blushes that you get in Sephora, etc. They are actually very reasonable price. Another thing that I love this summer is something that is making my eyebrows slay. It's Anastasia. Look at the camera. Okay, Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. I have been using it so much. It just holds them so tight and it looks very natural. Doesn't leave like a white residue like a soap. And it's just one of my favorite products this summer. This month I was not very musically enthusiastic, you can say. If you know me, I don't know if you know me or not, I have Spotify as my top app. I always have AirPods inside my ears all the time. I don't know what happened this summer. I'm just not feeling so great. The songs that I listen to are usually the songs that play on reels all the time. Harry's As It Was, Lizzo's About Damn Time, In a Minute, I'm gonna need a cinnamon. To be honest, I really liked Harry's Home album. I listened to it like once. There are a few songs that I like Satellite and Late Night Talking, Matilda. Also Taylor Swift blessed us with this version of This Love for a new movie. I don't even remember the movie's name. Summer I Became Pretty or something like that. And she released one of the most underrated songs from 1989. I had never appreciated This Love before this version came out. It was never on my top 5, even my top 10 on 1989. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I have seen the light now. So I learned This Love on ukulele for just shits and giggles. I don't know. I'm gonna play like a snippet for you. Just don't take it too seriously, okay? I'm not a singer. I just want to tell you that that's all the music that I adored. Okay, here it comes. This love is good, this love is bad, this love is I like rap, I'm not at all. These hands have to let it go free, and this love came back to me. Oh. I already told you what my summer was like. I spent all my day inside my house. So if you are talking about outfits, I think my pajamas are the outfits that I wore. I actually got a new set of pajamas from H&M and they are super cute. First one is a pink one which says share is love or whatever and has a big milkshake thing. I'm actually wearing it these days. I have washed it like 3 times and that's why the collar is kind of already wearing out. Comes in a shorts and t-shirt. I got it in large size but I think large was too large for me. I should have gotten a medium, but with H&M I just never know what my size is, especially online. It was just small, but I didn't return it because I thought it was comfortable and cute that way and I didn't know if medium would fit me. I don't want fitted clothes when I'm at home, I just want something so loose that all the air is ventilating through my body. These sets are 100% cotton and sure feels like it. They are super duper comfortable and also cute. I'm just a little disappointed in the collar situation. The other one that I got is in this cute sky blue color. It has lobsters and clouds on it. I don't know what this combination is about. They were not costly at all. They came with a set, so it was like $12.99 each and I think that was a reasonable price to pay according to H&M. The one thing that I did do this summer is watch shows. A lot of them. I have watched so many shows this summer, I cannot tell you. So here are like my top 5 shows that you should definitely watch if you already haven't. If you ask me one show that I should have to recommend you guys, just one, I will say it's The Good Place. If you have watched Schitt's Creek, it's kind of like that, but it's also very different from that. feel good feeling, relating with the characters, relating with their character development, starting with a bunch of a-holes and then seeing them develop into nice, good-hearted, best people ever. It's that kind of a show. Again, I do not want to give you spoilers, but this show is about 4 people who die and then they go to heaven. The main character in the show, Eleanor, is not a good person, good enough to go into the heaven. So she kind of struggles in the heaven to prove herself as a good person and kind of improves with everyone else. I know this sounds like really simple, but it's not. Okay, I promise you it's not. For me, why I love this show is because there were tons of lessons to be learned, tons of things that you can learn and apply in your real life. This is one of those shows that makes you want to do better, makes you want to become a better person. As I am telling you guys, I really hope this show changes someone's life who is watching this video. I kind of feel like I'm doing a social service by recommending this show to you guys because I'm so excited for whoever is gonna watch it. Like, it's gonna seriously change your life. It's such a good show. And with that, I end my summer favorites video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, then please hit that like button and let's subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, you know, as you can see the numbers, we are getting somewhere and I would like to get there really soon. Slowly and steadily we're gonna get there finally. Also, one more update, you guys. I'm trying something, so I am posting a short video on YouTube every single day and I am going to post them daily, so do check out my channel for daily short videos also. Okay, and as for the longer videos, I will definitely see you next week. Till then, take care. Goodbye. No, bye.